First and foremost, masks must be worn by everyone entering the building. Students must enter the building through one of the designated entrance doors. All doors will have clear signs and labels to direct traffic. Remember to maintain the CDC recommended 6 feet distance from others at all times when entering and moving within the building, to the best of your ability. When entering the lab, you must always put on your safety glasses first. Then move to your assigned workspace within the lab. This is where you will conduct all of your experimental work, as well as an assigned hood space if necessary. Put your belongings beneath the counter and proceed to sanitize your workspace. Use the provided spray bottle containing 70% ethanol solution to spray down your station. You cannot begin experiments until after sanitizing your workspace. Be sure to wash your hands with soap and water shortly after arriving in lab and before you begin your lab work. You're advised not to use electronics in the lab, including laptops, tablets, and cell phones, unless you're told to do so by your instructor. You will find the materials and equipment you need at your workspace, in your assigned drawer, or at your assigned balance. Remember, your mask must remain on even while wearing safety glasses or goggles. There will be a single balance station to be shared between 2 students in 2 separate workspaces. Although these are shared spaces, you will need to remain mindful of CDC recommended social distancing guidelines. If a person is already present in the balance station area, wait until they move before occupying the space yourself. Sinks and hoods will also be shared resources within the lab. Do not move to a sink or hood if it is currently occupied by another person. Do your best to maintain the recommended CDC social distancing guidelines, even as you work in lab. Follow provided instruction to dispose of experimental waste. You may need to use a shared container found in one of 2 hoods in the lab. Your instructor will tell you how to handle waste. Remember to put all waste in the labeled containers before you clean up your workspace. After the waste is properly disposed of, you will clean your workspace for the next lab to use. Begin by ensuring that all your newly cleaned glassware is open end down on a paper towel to dry in your drawer. Then use the ethanol spray bottle to spray down your station again. Once you've cleaned your space, you should immediately wash your hands at the sink with hand soap and water. Finally, remember to put your lab book and pencil in your backpack, then pick up your backpack and other belongings beneath the lab bench. You must leave lab immediately after you clean up. Remember, if you're finished, you need to leave lab as soon as you're done.